Hello hustlers, and welcome back to the IVA Hustle channel. IVA Hustle provides education for freelancers and independent contractors. IVA Hustle can help you with things from startup to expansion and beyond. We'll give you tips on setting goals, doing research, planning, money management, and more. If this is the kind of information you find helpful, please hit the like button to let us know and help us out so we can continue to produce this kind of content to help hustlers like you. We also invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. And definitely share it on your social media to help get the messages out to others seeking the information we provide. In today's economy, you should remember, IVA Hustle, do you? Then act on it. Welcome to day 25 of our special 30-day freelance business money mindset challenge. In this episode, we'll discuss why freelancers should always pay themselves first. Software is a useful way to organize your finances. Whether they are a part of Quicken, Microsoft Money, or another package, these simple tools make paying bills and reconciling your bank accounts a breeze. Practically everybody sells computer checks, which are also compatible with most printers. After the checks are produced, all the data is instantly put into your electronic checkbook. In addition, many banks provide direct downloads for these software applications, enabling transactions to be typed directly onto your computer as payments are made or taken out. Furthermore, filing taxes couldn't be any simpler. Try Quicken. Many people purchase computers in order to handle their personal finances more skillfully or even launch a small business. Quicken allows you to pay bills, track tax write-offs, create budgets, financial statements, and reports in addition to managing your bank account. The appealing Windows interface is advantageous for Quicken for Windows. Using Quicken's Activities menu, users can open new accounts, write checks, pay credit card bills, alter balances, create budgets, construct registers, or launch an on-screen calculator. If you want to transmit payments instantaneously over your phone connection, modem, and computer, you can use electronic payments or Quicken to print checks on your computer's printer. When you initially create a Quicken bank account, you will find yourself on the Register window, where all transactions are recorded. These transactions include deposits, withdrawals from ATMs, manually or digitally produced checks, account fees, interest charges, and service fees. When creating a Quicken bank account, the Register pane acts as a check register similar to your paper check register. When a check is written and entered into Write Checks, it is permanently recorded to your records and appears in the check register. Your balance is updated automatically. You can print reports detailing exactly where your money was spent by just specifying what it is for: a phone bill, groceries, piano lessons, charity, or anything else. After receiving your monthly bank statement, you can quickly reconcile it with your Quicken check register. With the Quicken credit card register, you may computerize your charge card records. Additionally, it can help you keep track of your investments in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other risky endeavors. But as it is, take your time studying this complicated function. Categories are another useful characteristic. To keep track of how much you're spending on various products, you can categorize transactions. Spending categories for homeowners may include utilities, rent, mortgage, and so on. You may receive money through your salary, bonuses, maternity leave benefits, and other sources. By classifying transactions, you can produce a report that totals all revenue and outlays for taxes by class for every month of the year. There are reports that are designed expressly to group and total transactions by classes. For instance, if you own a small business, you can identify your top 3 sources of income by keeping track of how much money you spend on meals each month. The category names you set, either before entering transactions or as you input them, might be very particular or vague. Even if you want to, you can categorize every transaction. The alternative is pre-formatted reports. With the help of these reports, you might examine your finances in great detail. You can produce reports that include financial information about your budget, spending, and other elements like cash flow and accounts payable. Using cash transactions is one of the most effective time-saving strategies. Quicken has the ability to memorize any recurring checks or additional activities, including electronic payments to be sent and mortgage, utility, and payroll deposits. Quicken will automatically input the memorized transaction you select when you prefer into the register. You can connect with CheckFree about payments using the CheckFree function and a modem. You can choose to send the donation to any American citizen, company, or organization at this point. In order to pay bills, you first enter an electronic payment transaction. which is quite similar to submitting a paper check, in the Write Checks or Register window. Payroll checks may also be issued for business needs. You can see that Quicken has applications. With the aid of its easy-to-use features, you may computerize your checkbook, budget, credit card data, investments, and much more. There are many programs available, and this one was merely given as a straightforward example of how they work. Okay, that's all for this episode. We look forward to you joining us daily for the next 30 days.